Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Here's a nice tasty breakfast or lunch, or you can pad it out with some chips and salad as well, using these pita breads. These pita breads are 50p both in Aldi and Asda for 6, so they work out about 7-8 each, and I've used 2. I've opened up each pita pocket and I've put in some beans, but the beans I've also added a little dash of smoked paprika to dash it up, give it a nice little bit of flavour, and the beans are only 27p in Asda at the moment. I've used a bit of grated cheese, I've used red Leicester, but any cheese will do, like cheddar for example. This is a 400g block which costs £2.49 in Aldi, and I've grated some in a bowl. So I put a little bit of cheese at the bottom of each pocket, then a couple of spoonfuls of beans with the paprika mixed in, and then topped it off with a bit more cheese and grilled it in a pan here. And for any frying pan will do. I just put a little knob of butter in first and cooked it on each side for 2-3 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done, and I'm saving it with a bit of coleslaw which costs 50p in Asda.